Strict. Kun has the unique SCTCD deviation correction technology. 100 meters straight running accuracy is 5 mm. 100 meters four corners turn repeat positioning accuracy is 10 mm. Compared to the remote control device, Kun does not rely on the human eye to work. It only relying on the AI version system to navigate. So it can work totally strictly, perfectly realize no dead corner clean. Stable. Kun uses the least computational power and the simplest structure, so it is safe, stable, and efficient. Meanwhile, unique anti-glare hidden visual sensor design ensures it can get the accurate location information in the heavy pollution or bright light environment, so it can realize millimeter level positioning on the solar panel. Precise. Kun has the unique ACFSP frame clean technology. Frame clean rate can be greater than 98%. Autonomously, no need remote control. Collimation. Collimate the nozzle and the bottom mud strip. Flush. Water jet flush the border. Scrub. Brush scrub the soil and carry it away. Push down the switch to the floor.